Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Mammee and we are giving you a tour of the Tropics at Mammee, a luxury residential development taking place in Mammee. This is actually at the border between Mammee and Draxall. So we are going to go through an article that gives more information on this mega development taking place. Tropics at Mammee represents one of the newest and most refined additions to Jamaica's evolving North Coast real estate landscape. Situated just outside Ocho Rios along the sun-drenched shoreline of St. Anne, this luxury condominium development embodies modern tropical living, blending elegant design, resort-style amenities, and the serene beauty of Jamaica's natural coastline. Located only minutes from the north-south highway exit, Tropics enjoys easy accessibility from both Kingston and Montego Bay, positioning it as a prime residential and investment destination. Mammee Bay itself is known for its calm, tourist waters, powdery beaches, and proximity to major attractions such as Dunn's River Falls, Mystic Mountain, and Dolphin Cove. This setting offers the perfect balance of tranquility and convenience, close enough to the heart of Ocho Rios for entertainment and shopping, yet private enough to preserve the peaceful charm of a coastal retreat. The Tropics development consists of a limited collection of contemporary 1, 2, and 3 bedroom residences, ranging from approximately 770 to 2,000 square feet. Each unit is crafted with modern architecture, open plan layouts, and sleek finishes designed to maximize natural light and ocean breezes. Features such as smart home technology, keyless entry, and energy-efficient systems cater to the needs of both discerning homeowners and short-term rental investors seeking a turnkey experience. One of the defining features of Tropics is its resort-style amenities, which mirror the standards of high-end international developments. Residents and guests enjoy access to an infinity pool, rooftop entertainment, deck, modern gym, elevator access, 24-hour security, concierge services, and exclusive beach privileges. The property's layout promotes a sense of community while maintaining privacy, creating an atmosphere of understated sophistication while residents can unwind, socialize, or entertain in comfort. From an investment perspective, Tropics at Mammee Bay arrives at a time when Jamaica's North Coast continues to expand as the island's premier tourism and residential corridor. In essence, Tropics at Mammee Bay is more than just a property. It is a statement of modern Jamaican luxury. It merges the timeless allure of the island's north coast with the sophistication of urban design, offering residents and investors alike an experience that celebrates both progress and paradise. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.